Saturday morning.
Better stomach morning.
Yeah, we didn't have a date, but Ginny's been ill for just over a day. Bangkok belly.
Oh my god. Every time. Well, it's only my second time, but like every time I come to Bangkok, I do have problem with my stomach, which I'm not happy about. But this time wasn't as bad, so.
Yeah, we were pretty careful to be fair, but oh well. So today we're going floating market. We researched a few, and this one seemed to be kind of the best balance between accessibility and being nice, quite local apparently. I forgot the name. I'm not going to try to do it right now because I'll make a fool of myself. It takes about 40 minutes to get there via public transport, and then we'll get a small taxi ride from that station to the market. Hopefully spend a couple of hours there. So yeah, it'll be a full day. We're going to Pattaya tomorrow, so we'll be back in the early evening tonight to pack, clean up, get ready. Our last full day in Bangkok. Should be a good one. See you later. Bye. Bye. Nice day though. Hopefully it won't burn.
Have umbrella.
Have umbrella and hat and sun cream. We managed to find the boat. We're on a 1.5 hour trip. Visiting 2 places. 100 baht per person. Seems pretty reasonable. So far it's pretty close.
Yeah.
Fixed price, no? Good exercise.
I know, very local style.
Yeah.
Something that you can really see how local people live here around along the canal. We stop for 20 minutes.
20 minutes to get off and on. Ice cream. Yeah, local market.
Karaoke.
Nah.
Very open karaoke. You wanna share something?
I'm still very full.
Yeah.
And I'm petrified for my stomach.
Next time.
Let's go. We got a, how long is it? 3-hour bus ride tomorrow?
Yeah.
갑시다.
갑시다. Next destination. Go go.
Go go.
That next one is the highlight. I hope it's good.
So is this the middle light or the low light?
Huh?
Is this the middle light or low light?
This one is low light.
Low light. I don't recognize nobody from our boat.
Nah, should be there. Get the umbrella open.
To the orchards, right? Orchard.
The national flower.
Pretty relaxed here. Nice and cool. Touching the water. Jenny's theory is that it's covered in chili powder. It's really my theory. Isn't this one that opens up?
So we've tried all 3 seats, back, middle, and front, and it will tell you which seat is the best.
Well, this one is slightly unfair because we definitely get more like room here.
Yeah.
So already
The
winning.
mid seat was so tiny.
But quieter.
Yeah.
But it was only a very small amount of time, right?
Yeah. Melted.
Alright, we're at the weekend market. After the floating boat market, we got a taxi. We're not too sure if we did get ripped off or not, but Niyom paid the same
Almost.
price. He tried to go in a different direction, and then we told him about it.
And then he
And he's
kind of like
like,
U-turned
"What?"
and then
Yeah.
stopped and then like, whoa, where are you going again?
Yeah.
It is massive. It's just like, you don't know where to look.
No. Know where to start. Apparently it's 1 kilometer of just this.
It's pretty cool. I mean, and it's cheap, I think. It's not like crazy expensive.
Oh yeah, my kind of shop right here.
Oh, ooh, good quality. Look at that. Nice. Living here, I think I'll definitely come here for interior stuff, and you can probably haggle, or if you, even if you don't haggle, I think price-wise it's not too bad.